Elsa and the Stolen Snowstorm. Once upon a time in the kingdom of Arendelle, the air was filled with excitement as the annual snowman-building contest was just around the corner. Princess Elsa and Princess Anna were busy preparing for the festivities. Elsa was creating sparkling snowflake decorations, while Anna was baking delicious cookies for the event. As they worked, a sudden warmth swept through the kingdom, melting the snow in the courtyard and threatening to ruin the contest. Olaf, the lovable snowman, noticed footprints leading away from the castle and immediately grew suspicious. He knew something was not right and alerted Elsa and Anna. Determined to find out the cause of the warm weather, Elsa and Anna decided to follow the footprints into the icy woods. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon a mischievous frost sprite, sitting on a snow-covered rock with tears in its eyes. The sprite explained that it felt overlooked and left out during the festivities, causing it to use its powers to bring warmth to the kingdom. Feeling sympathy for the lonely sprite, Elsa and Anna decided to make things right. Elsa waved her hands in the air and created a magical snowstorm in the sprite's honor. As the snowflakes danced around them, the sprite's eyes sparkled with joy and harmony filled the air. The warm weather began to fade away, and the snow started to return to the kingdom. The snowman-building contest resumed, and the participants worked eagerly to create their masterpieces. In the end, a magnificent display of snowmen stood proudly in the courtyard, each one unique and creative. As night fell, the sky lit up with colorful fireworks, illuminating the kingdom in a magical glow. Elsa and Anna invited the frost sprite to join in the celebration, welcoming it with open arms. The sprite, feeling appreciated and loved, danced around the snowmen, spreading happiness and laughter wherever it went. The people of Arendelle cheered and clapped, grateful for the return of winter and the joy that filled their hearts. Elsa and Anna smiled as they watched the festivities unfold, knowing that they had brought happiness to the kingdom once again. And so, the snowman-building contest ended in a whirl of laughter and joy, with the frost sprite being crowned the honorary judge of the event. As the night came to a close, Elsa, Anna, and the sprite stood together, basking in the warmth of friendship and love. The kingdom of Arendelle was once again filled with magic and wonder, thanks to the kindness and compassion of two brave sisters and a mischievous little frost sprite. And so, the annual snowman-building contest became a symbol of unity and togetherness, reminding everyone that even in the coldest of winters, warmth can always be found in the hearts of those we love.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.